So we've just finished putting up a tent and now it's time to put in our bed. In front of me here is the Thermarest Neo Air, which is a non-self-inflating mat, which means we're going to have to inflate it ourselves. One way of doing that is obviously with your mouth. It takes a long time, it's a lot of effort, and it's not overly practical. So nowadays there is a much simpler way, and that's using a pump stack. So right there. All of Thermarest mats come with a pump stack now, whether they're self-inflating or not, just so you can top them up, and they are rolled into the mat itself. It looks like this. Just basically a massive bag, as you can see, drawstring on top so you can use it to store stuff in, and then a valve section at the bottom here. So what we're going to do, we're going to lie our mat out like so, make sure it's all set up, and then we're going to go to the valve part first, and this is an important step, and that's unscrewing the valve, making sure there is a bit of it's unlocked so that airflow can go through the system. We're going to grab our pump sack like so. We're going to pop off our little cap, and that is going to be securely placed around the top of the valve. So there's no physical locking mechanism to attach these two together, it's just a push-click system. So there's a chance this might come off. Because that's a one-way valve with a wind lock system, no air is going to escape, so if that does happen, don't panic, just pop it back on and carry on. Once it's attached, pull the bag up straight like this, open it up, make sure you get some air in there, and what you're going to do is just blow into the bag. Gather the top of the bag, roll it down, and you've got a bag full of air. And what we're going to do now is force that air into the mat. Lovely. That mat feels like the kind of pressure I'd want in mine, so what we're going to do is we're going to close that lock system back up so that no air can escape. Because of the double system on the valve now, it's very unlikely, but we're going to screw that closed anyway for our own peace of mind. And that is your mat fully inflated. Stuff sack, or your pump sack, sorry, can go back in your rucksack now. All done, pop the cap back on and chuck it away. I didn't keep track of how many times I used the pump sack there, but I would have said it was less than 10. And I would have said it took us less than 2 minutes. It was really quick, and it's certainly a lot less effort than trying to pump that up with your mouth, or trying to blow it up directly with your mouth. So that was just a really quick video on how to use pump sacks and why they're an effective thing to use. If you've got any questions, put them down in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.